तो फ्रेंड्स आज हम जुडिशियल एक्टिज्म का ऐसे करेंगे। तो यहाँ पर जुडिशियल एक्टिज्म का ऐसे हम लिख लिया है पहले से। हम आप इसे आपको एक बार पढ़कर बता देंगे। जुडिशियल एक्टिज्म पहले हम हेडिंग डालेंगे, फिर यहाँ पर लिखेंगे जुडिशियल एक्टिज्म इज आ जडिशियल फिलोसफी होल्डिंग दैट द कोर्ट्स कैन एंड शुड गो बियॉन्ड द एप्लीकेबल लॉ टू कंसिडर ब्रॉडर societal implications of its decisions. It is sometimes used as an antonym of judicial restraint. It is usually a pejorative term, implying that judges make rulings based on their own political agenda rather than precedent and take advantage judicial discretion. The definition of judicial activism and the specific decisions that are activist are controversial political issues. The question of judicial activism is closely related to judicial interpretation, statutory interpretation, and separation of powers. पर दूसरी हेडिंग है डेफिनेशंस। इसमें हम लिखेंगे अ सर्वे ऑफ जुडिशियल रिव्यू इन प्रैक्टिस ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट 3 decades shows that judicial activism has characterized the decisions of the Supreme Court at different times. Black's Law Dictionary defines judicial activism as a philosophy of judicial decision making whereby judges allow their personal views about public policy among other factors to guide their decisions. Political science professor Bradley Cannon has posited 6 dimensions along with judge. Courts may be perceived as activist majoritarianism, interpretive stability, interpretive fidelity, substance, democratic process, specificity of policy, and availability of an alternate policy maker. David A. Steres has argued that judicial activism can be narrowly defined as one or more of 3 possible actions. अब हम यहाँ पर नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ की ओर देखेंगे। यहाँ पर लिखा है अदर्स हैव बीन लेस कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ द टर्म्स मीनिंग फाइंडिंग इट इंस्टेड टू बी लिटिल मोर देन आ shorthand. Kermit Roosevelt III has argued that in practice activist turns out to be little more than a rhetorically charged shorthand for decisions the speaker disagrees with. Likewise, the Solicitor General under George W. Bush, Theodore Olson, said in an interview on Fox News Sunday in regards to case for same-sex marriage he had successfully litigated that most people use the term judicial activism to explain decisions that they don't like. Supreme Court Justice Anthony Kennedy has said that an activist court is a court that makes a decision you don't like. यहाँ पर लिखा है it is usually a pejorative term implying that judges make rulings based on their own political agenda rather than precedent and take advantage of judicial activism and the specific decisions that are activists are controversial political issue. The question of judicial activism is closely related to judicial interpretation, statutory interpretation and separation of powers. यहाँ पर एप्लीकेशन देखेंगे टीसी की। यहाँ पर एप्लीकेशन है टीसी की टू द प्रिंसिपल गवर्नमेंट लॉ कॉलेज टीकमगढ़ MP। हम आज की डेट लिख देंगे। सब्जेक्ट है हमारा एप्लीकेशन फॉर ट्रांसफ़र सर्टिफिकेट। हमारे रेस्पेक्टेड सर हैं तो हम यहाँ पर रेस्पेक्टेड सर लिखेंगे। आई बैक टू से दैट आई एम a student of class LLB second sem in your college. My father has been transferred from Tikongarh to Sagar. My family is going there, so I am going there. Please issue my TC. Date आज की डाल देंगे हम और यहाँ पर लिख देंगे हम योर ओबीडियंटली नेम लिख देंगे हम अपना और बस हमारी एप्लीकेशन कंप्लीट हो जाएगी।